Fix AirPod Pro cracking, sound static noise remote. To fix crackling or static sound on your AirPods Pro, you could try following these tips. First of all is make sure to update. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, iTouch or MacBook is running the latest software version. The next thing you could also do is ensure that the headphones are close to connected devices and there is no obstructions between them. You could also check the potential wireless disruptions from other devices as well. The other thing you could also do is test with different audio. Listen to audio with a different app to see if the issue to be specific on a particular app. And likewise, you could also use an earbud in order to clean it out. Sometimes it could be dust or debris, so you could fix that out as well. Or else, what you could also do is you could also reset AirPods. Now, resetting your AirPods by placing them in a charging case, holding down the button on the back of for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.